Happy New Year's. I hope everybody had a safe and happy holiday last night and today, and I just hope you're all having a great day out there, everybody. Beam is breaking out of this falling wedge, which kind of shocks me. I expected to see the volume up a lot more on this thing. I took a long on it as soon as it broke resistance down here, but looks like it's back testing now. It's going to back test this breakout and then should bounce out of here. What kind of shocks me, if we come over here to coin market cap, volume is down 11%, roughly 23 million bucks. All right, I thought maybe a lot of, I don't know, maybe a lot of people are out there busy with the new year, but I'm always looking at charts. I'm always looking at looking for breakouts and opportunities to make money. All right, the other day, excuse me, I went and opened up a Discord, and I'm not real tech savvy with stuff like that, guys. I've had a lot of people ask for a Discord. Okay, so I finally went and did it. It's basically going to be just for members, for a few reasons. I noted trader. This dude is a good man right here. Okay, great guy. So I want to give him a big shout out. He gave me a lot of heads up. Me and him chatted for a while. That you could get scammers in your Discord and stuff. He's very, very tech savvy, very, very smart man. I didn't know all that stuff. Okay, so my number one thing, if we're gonna have a Discord for members, is safety. Okay, that's the number one thing. If it turns out, I think we have 60 members right now in our group here. So, another thing, if they're not just anybody can jump in there. Okay, so he walked me through a lot of stuff that I got to take care of today. I went to the in-laws for New Year's last night and just hung out with my wife's parents and stuff. So I got to take care of that stuff. Maybe if it gets to be too much out there, maybe I'll have to cut a deal with somebody to be a moderator or something in here, because I'm not real good with stuff like this. But I want to give a big shout out to the members, guys. It's been a fantastic year. You guys keep this channel going, and I can't thank you enough, man. I really can't. And I hope that you guys, especially the guys that signed up for the level 3 trading member, $15, man, for 8 hours worth of videos. All right. I just hope that you're super supporters, man. Thank you so much. You guys, really, I mean, thank you so much. Every single one of you. It doesn't matter if you pay 99 cents a month or $50 a month. You guys are the best. Detroit Custom Painter. I know you're into your Bitcoin, and I'm going to give you a Bitcoin update here in another video coming up here shortly, buddy. Text me with anything. You got my number. We have a lot of good people, man. All right, I want to keep it that way. Okay, got a couple new people signed up for the trading courses yesterday. Bob and Jamie, welcome, guys. Within the last week, Tom, Rachel, Matt, Atalik, Robert, Enoch, Israel, Laura, Julian, Baja. You've been here a lot longer than that, man. You just upgraded a few days ago. You've been here 4 months. Paul, Detroit Custom Painter, you're a good dude, man. I enjoy chatting with you, buddy. Hit me up with anything, and I mean that. Don't hang back, all right? Looks like Bitcoin is breaking out here. Joliet, Azirius, Daniel, Detroit Custom Painter. This guy's been in Bitcoin a long time, guys. So, if you see him in the Discord, he knows what he's talking about, all right? Oops, let's get through here. Zirius, Daniel, FLL, Un34, Yanni, Hook Eco, thank you, man. Jim P, another super supporter, thank you so much, guys. Derek, Miss Kendall, how are you? Love and Z, Rated Roar, Jumpman Crypto, Frankie, Loot Pursuit, Crypto Bill, Ferme de la Plague, Rowdy Man, another good dude. Ruben, Wes, Spinsy Productions, Will DeFi, Mike Painter, not sure how to pronounce it. I apologize, but thank you. Zozo, Dez, Christian, Blue Safari, Sominex, Kevin, Thomas, FMK, Eyes Wide Open, Prepping for Beginners, Karat, Willhammer, Host Thinking, Jay, Benji Barker, Falconeer, William, Noted Trader, Franny, Ryan, Lib, Trapper, Jason, and Andy. Thank you so much, guys. Marty, big shout out to you, buddy. I don't know what the heck went on there. He tried to re-sign up as a member, and for some reason it wouldn't let him get through there on YouTube. So, but Marty is a member, and how you doing, Marty? I chatted with you yesterday, buddy. We'll get that figured out one way or the other. I wish I knew how to. See, YouTube won't let me give away like free memberships or something like that, guys. They won't let me do it. Or I don't know how to do it. I wish I could throw that out there. As perks. You know what I mean? Like. I don't know. I would love to just throw stuff out like that, like have given away some memberships for Christmas or something, but they won't let me. I can't do that. They won't let me do it. There's not even a setting for that, so I can't do stuff like that. But thank you so much, guys. It's been a great year. We're gonna make a pile of money this year. We got a bull run coming up, and I would please learn all you can from these charts and these level 3 memberships. Learn all you can. We got this bull run coming. Let's make a pile of money, everybody. That's the main goal. Okay, almost at 3,000. Subscribers. So nice little community here. Let's kill it, guys. Let's make a pile of money this year. That's what it's all about. So. I don't mean to sound greedy when I say that. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are like me. You do a lot of good for people out there. Okay, it's not all about money in life, but money makes life definitely a little bit easier. Okay, I'm approaching 50 years old. I got a lot of stuff I want to do. And I'm sure you do too. We all got dreams and goals, and I think crypto is my way out. I don't want to spend the rest of my life working every day. I'm almost to the point where trading is taking over my salary. So I'm very happy with where I'm at with crypto and charts and all that stuff, and I'm addicted to it. I love it. I'd love to do it as a full-time job, and I can't wait to the day that I do. Hopefully by the end of this bull run, all of us can sit back on Discord every day and talk about what we're going to invest in and get rich off of next. So, all right, let's move on. I'm sorry, guys. I get pumped up when a bull run's coming. How can't you, right? I mean, it's life changing. It's a life changing event. All right, you can see Beam here. This falling wedge, this breakout starting. Okay, we got the breakout. Looks like a retest coming back here, just coming back to retest the breakout. Okay, if you go in here, let's go on a 12-hour chart. Okay, you can see a major, got a major support level down here. Let's mark it. You got a major resistance level right there. Let's mark a couple of these areas out so we know what we're looking for. Got a major area right about there. Let's make that a 1. Okay, and let's see here. As we go up, we got one. Let's go out in the weekly here. I like the weekly ones. The further you go out, the stronger the support level you have. Okay, like these weekly support and resistance areas are a lot stronger than your 4-hour or your 8-hour or daily or whatever like that. The weekly and monthly are your strongest ones. Okay, the daily, we don't have monthly ones on here really, so we're gonna go with our daily ones here. Okay, we got one there, one down here, one there, and we'll go with one rate. We'll take this one here and unlock it and pull it down. right about there. Yeah, that'll work right there. Okay, all right, now we got some areas to shoot for here. Okay, the daily RSI. Look at this, just starting up. Okay, so this is looking like it's probably going to be a pretty decent breakout here. I would imagine, especially that daily. It's at a 10 and a 4. You got the 12-hour just starting up, a 23 and a 16. You got your 8-hour 51 and a 36. It's bullish, and you got a bullish 4-hour. Where's the weekly? We don't have a weekly yet, okay? But yeah, this is looking like it's going to be probably a pretty decent run, okay? If we take, I just want to take a look at something here. Let's take and put a Fibonacci. Whoops, let's get rid of that. All right, from the top to the bottom and across here, okay? There we go. All right, this is it's going to be our main areas that we're going to want to bust through once we get up here. This 702 and 618. Okay, but for now, let's zoom in on this hourly and see where this thing is probably going to bounce from. Okay, it's probably going to pull back either to right down here, right about that level there, or somewhere right in here. Right. Let's go to 4-hour and look here. That looks a lot better. Possibly right. Boy, oh boy, I hate all these wicks. Maybe right there. Okay, we could bounce before that. But what's going on is you get your breakout, then you get your retest to your breakout, and then you continue going up. Okay, just like a wave 1, 2. All right, you got your get that RSI off the bottom so I can show you. Here we go. Okay, you got your initial breakout, which I teach. Never buy big green candles. Okay, wait for the pullback, the retest, and then we'll bounce out of here. All right, it's more than likely a wave 1, 2, working on this second wave down. Then our third wave should be our biggest wave out of here. Fourth and a fifth wave up. Okay, now we ran into resistance kind of prematurely here. I expected it to really pull up to that 0.0184. It stopped a little short of that on the 4-hour here. Okay, but you got your 1 hour. It's 1 hour pulling back. The 1 hour is pulling back here. Okay, so I would watch for number one, either right down here, 0.0176 or 0.0173. Okay, that's one of the two areas this thing is going to pull back and bounce. It could bounce from right here at 0.017682 too. That's a very good area. You can see right here, if I put a support line there, see it right through here. Closed candles, closed candle, closed candle. That was resistance, that was support. It could bounce right there. One of these three spots it's going to get the bounce from. Okay, now if we can zoom in a little bit more, like a 30-minute, give us a little bit more of an idea. 30-minute has a little bit more time to pull down. All right, so it could be coming down to this deeper one. The 15 is about reset. Okay, so it could be right here at the 0.0177. So it's either 0.0177, 0.0175, or it could come down here to the 0.0173. I don't believe it's going to go that low. I believe one of these two here, you're going to get your bounce from, and it's going to start taking off. All right, obviously that first area to breakthrough on the way up is 0.018, call it 0.0184. Okay, we're just going to go with that 0.0184. And then we should be on our way here. Now this thing, let's go into 4-hour. Take a look here. All right, yeah, this thing should really rip. I mean, the measured move of this wedge, you know, from top to bottom. Whoops. From top to bottom. What the heck's going on here? Was it messing with me here? Top. Let me get my, let's try that one more time. Top to bottom, put it on the breakout. Right, this move should at least go up to 0.021, 0.021, okay, and then probably an ABC, and then continuing up from there. All right, but I'd watch right through here. What would that give us on a fib right through here? Look at that. That would put us right on the 786. Right about on a 786 Fibonacci right there, okay? So then you could have an ABC down to a 618 and then a continuation from there. But these are the areas I'd be watching for right here for your fib, okay? Watch for that breakout of that 0.0185, and then you got this one up here at 0.0194. Is that what it is? 0.0194? Yeah, 0.0194. And 0.0185, call that one, okay? And you're going to get your retest down here. It's going that hourly. You're going to get that retest down here somewhere. And then it will start bouncing from there. I wish I could tell you for sure, because that would be a nice long to take. But I'm not 100% positive where it's going to go in here. I got in my long right down here. So I'm kind of riding this out myself. I'm just waiting for a bounce myself here, guys. But, if I was a betting man here, okay, you got your 15-minute. That 15-minute is just about reset, okay? So I would be more leaning towards this area right here, 0.0177. Maybe pull back to there, and then are starting our bounce up on that 15, because the 10's probably reset. Yeah, the 10's reset. The 30's still pulling down, but that will probably push back up once that 15 starts going. All right, and if you were looking for a, let's go on a 1 hour. If you were putting a Fibonacci on this and looking for a swing low or a swing high. Yeah, that's 618. Down here 0.0175. That's pretty close to lining up with some areas here. Usually right in this area here is usually where you get your bounce area from. So that 0.0175 or the 0.0176. I know I'm probably kind of confusing you a little bit in here, but keep an eye on those areas right there, guys. One of them areas was going to get the bounce from, but we got the breakout, okay? It's broke resistance. It's on its way up. This daily RSI could not look any better. That's perfect. I mean, this should end up being a nice run. All right, guys. Happy New Year, and congratulations. Let's go.